Vegetarian meal prep ideas. Hi guys, it's Elizabeth, and on today's episode, we're going to do a ton of vegetarian meal prep ideas for you to get ready for the meals for the week. A special thank you to Fresh Jacks for sponsoring today's video. The first meal prep item we're going to do is using Fresh Jacks Brunch Life with 1 cup sour cream and using 2 tablespoons of their Brunch Life, mixing it all together to make this delicious vegetarian dip that you can use for your vegetables, that you can use all week long to enhance your vegetables, enhance eating healthy, but also have really quick snacks on hand that have already been meal prepped, that have already been chopped. Simply go ahead and chop up your peppers, chop up your tomatoes, chop up your cucumbers, and then this way you can use this delicious high-fat filling dip. You could use organic sour cream with the dip also in addition to the Fresh Jacks Brunch Life, but adding some nuts into little containers also so you can have a quick charcuterie board for one of your meals as well. But almonds, pumpkin seeds, walnuts, pistachios. You can have a lot of different meal prep items in addition to cutting up some cheese, in addition to having some other pieces already pre-prepped for you with your celery to use this dip with Fresh Jacks. The next vegetarian meal prep meal that we're going to make is using a bag of organic carrots, and we're simply going to steam them with 2 tablespoons of Fresh Jacks Greek seasoning. This organic Greek seasoning is absolutely so flavorful. You can taste the organic mint in it. You're going to go ahead and put in there 1 tablespoon of the butter in addition to have some high fats that are going to go into your steamer with it. Go ahead and take your 2 tablespoons of the Fresh Jacks organic Greek seasoning. It's going to be so flavorful, and you can eat off of these steamed carrots for the next 3 days with your meal prep, and simply go ahead and put a half a cup of water in there before you start steaming it. You can put it on high to steam it, make sure the water starts boiling, and then cover it up for 10 minutes, and then you can have your steamed carrots. And again, eat off of these, put them into a glass container, put them in your refrigerator. You can eat off of these all for the next 3 days. I like having the organic, colorful carrots just because it makes my plate look pretty when I'm eating them. But for vegetarian meal prep and easy vegetarian meals, this is a simple thing to add. The next is chopped up zucchini or squash. Literally, you can use some ghee oil with it to cook it, and I used a half a teaspoon of the island spice, the Fresh Jack Jamaican seasoning. It is very spicy, but that's what makes it taste good. We did use some organic baby bella mushrooms, chopped all of these up, washed them all off, and then we also took off, making sure we're chopping into fine pieces as well. These will last in the refrigerator, again, up to 3 days after we cook them, but make sure that they're washed super well, particularly if they're the organic ones, of getting all the dirt off of them and using them to scrub super well to get them very clean. While we're doing that, we're preheating our pan and then putting them in to saute with a little bit of olive oil. I'm using Laconico olive oil. And then we can go ahead and put our Fresh Jacks Thai spice on there. Use 1 tablespoon of the Fresh Jacks Thai spice. Oh my word, it is the most delicious vegetarian side. If you want to order your Fresh Jacks, it'll be linked down in the description link below, along with the 15% off discount for you. When you buy 2 large bottles, they'll donate a meal to prevent childhood hunger, and Fresh Jacks is the best.